Salman Khan is with us on 94.3 Radio 1. From all our listeners, big salams and hugs, Salman.
Thank you.
Salman, Ek Tha Tiger. When did Kabir first come to you with the idea? Talk about Kabir, talk about the script, please.
See, my first mulaqat with Kabir was when he came to narrate a film to me, which was, I think, named Kabul Express. And at that point in time, I had asked him to make a small change in that. Is that wo jo ek Taliban, jo ek terrorist hota hai uske andar. I said, give me that role instead. The man who wants to run away from that place. Doesn't want to be a part of anything, wants to just leave the country and run away from there. So he thought I was joking. I was kind of serious about that. Then after that, he came to meet Katrina for New York, and I'd seen his work. He'd got some clippings of what he shot in Kabul on his DV cam. So that's the only work that I've seen of Kabir. But at that point, there's a guy called Apurva Shah. He used to work with Sohail and us. He was an assistant Hello Brother and 2-3 films. And then he started handling all the shows and production-wise. Now he's got his own company. So he was friends with Kabir, and he had got Kabir to me, and I saw his work that he shot on DV cam, which I thought was very impressive. And then he came again. Then Katrina told me that this guy Kabir Khan wants to do a film called New York on terrorism and stuff like that. And I had seen his work, so I told her at that point in time, you must work with this guy. I've seen his work and he's really good. Uske baad then Adi asked me to do a film. There were 2 scripts from which this was more complete, and I liked both of them. So now this is something that I wanted to do as well. And we went ahead, and I've seen his work, so there was no problem actually. And as a guy as well, he seemed like a very decent and a very respectful guy who knows his work, works seriously, hard work, etc., etc. So he had all the qualifications of me wanting to work with him.
Salman, why did it take so long to do a film with Yash Raj?
They never approached me. I mean, one film was offered to me by Kunal, I think. And I think the script and all didn't work out. After that, there's been talks going on. If I do a film with Yash Raj, it'd rather be a film, with Adi or with, Yes G or something like that on those lines. If eventually it's all about the script, if the scripts are good and if I like, they could be really good. But if I suit the film, then I do a film a script that I really, really like. Then the script becomes the hero, not the production company. Like they do a lot of films and they do really good films. But if you're going to work with the Yash Raj or a Karan Johar, then either they have to do that or I have to like the script immensely for me to work with somebody else. Otherwise, like Kabir, he's working with Yash Raj right now because he was under contract till now, I think. So if I have to do a film with Kabir, then it'll have to be with Yash Raj. But if I have to do a film with somebody else who's not under contract with Yash Raj, I can do a film with that person anyway. So then it'll be a film with somebody who they have signed, who script I've liked, or one of them.
Salman, it interests our listeners that you went to Cuba and actually shot a film with a local filming team in Cuba. Was it like a tourism ad or something like that? Would you tell us about it?
Superb place, yeah. Cuba is like what when I was growing up in Bombay and what I saw Worli, Seaface and Marine Drive, the Queen's Necklace and Bandstand and Cart Road, what you've seen in movies, that's exactly what Cuba is. And those cars that we used to see at that point, the Impalas and the Chevrolets and all the big cars, those exactly like that, colorful cars, beautiful, nice. And then what we see like the interiors of Colaba, the bylanes of Colaba and Jahangir Art Gallery and stuff like that. Cuba is exactly like that. Beautiful, lovely. It didn't feel like you were in Cuba. It felt like you're at home. कि यहाँ से turn मारो, आप वर्ली निकलोगे, यहाँ से turn मारो, तो आप वाल्केश्वर आ जाओगे. The posh areas are like what Valkeshwar. Same architecture, exactly, superb.
You were not well at one point, but you still did the stunts for this film yourself. Not used any stuntman. Used some of your own stunts or some with the stuntman.
Most in a film like this is like if a guy is a fit guy. And what we're showing in a film is basically a trained guy who can, we've used more physicality कि ये आदमी इतना कर पाएगा, एक trained आदमी इतना कर पाएगा. So that was not that difficult. My stuff is when I can't do stuff where I'm supposed to be hung ulta. So the blood supply should not go through the head. So I mean short sprints, etc., all that stuff I can do. But long sprints and handstands for long times, anything that would have the blood rushing to my head for a long time or in a quick spurt is not it's not okay. So anything which will increase my blood pressure instantly is not okay. But then you have to be careful, but I mean it's all good.
Katrina's also done some amazing stunts in the film. Talk about that.
She's done all her stuff herself. I mean it's good. I mean, she's a fit girl. She runs and the whole film is running, jumping. So she's very comfortable with that. She's very athletic. She trains really hard. and she stretches. So for kicks and all that stuff, that's the only thing that you need: flexibility and strength. She has both of them. Has grace with that. She dances well, so fighting will come, kind of pretty easy for her. Simple. Actually, once you in the rut, then you get things, lined up. I mean, first day of shooting for any film, for any action, you're slightly rusty. Even though you've shot an action like 10 days before, you're going to be slightly. But then as soon as you get 1-2 days inside, then you're fine. Unless it's like really hectic on the first, second day, then the third and fourth, you are slightly sore, and then you come back into your action mode.
You also shot in Europe a lot. So Dublin, talk about some moments in Dublin.
Dublin, wow, क्या जगह है Dublin, beautiful. Dublin, the weather is beautiful in Dublin. It's raining all the time. So it's that beautiful, धीरे-धीरे drizzling, and it's like very cold. Superb, वो अंधेरा throughout होता था वहाँ पर. So it's a different look that we got for the film, which we wanted for the film. Nothing to do there, it's island, in, apart from having what's that beer called Guinness, which I don't drink. So then you're working from morning to evening, doing action in the cold was a different experience altogether. 1 or 2 shopping places around there. It's a good place when you're going for your honeymoon, you and your wife alone. You don't want to come out of the room that much, or you want to go sightseeing idhar udhar ye wo. That romantic weather and the Guinness, the rain and all that. It's nice, very interesting place, Dublin. Beautiful, nice, cold. Yeah, I'm not supposed to go to cold places and stuff like that because of the amount of bones that I've broken all throughout my career and stuff like that. So it's painful but nice. We were there also. We did a huge action sequence where we kind of almost broke down Dublin tram and all that. Good location to go to for a holiday.
This is a film about espionage, about playing a spy. Yeah. So, are you a big fan of that genre of movies?
No, not really. Not really. I am basically a fan of the films that I have grown up watching. So, on heroism, and that's what off late I decided to do only the kind of films that I have enjoyed, I have clapped in, that kind of stuff.
There was also a comment from you saying that you're not going to do that many special appearances or go on to films because friends have asked you. Is that true? Or
no, this is the last one that I'm going to be doing, Ajay's. I mean, I'll do 1 or 2 either udhar, but it's difficult to say no. But I mean, I really like Ajay, and friends for friends, I would do it. But random stuff udhar. Basically, people who use it, to get people in and to con the audiences, saying that he's there in the film, but. हालांकि you're there in the film for just one song, but the impression is given that he's playing a guest appearance काफ़ी काम होगा, so theater भर जाएंगे slightly. तो उन लोगों के के लिए नहीं करूँगा, but ऐसी मस्ती के लिए कर लिया, दोस्तों के लिए गाना कर लिया, और जब वो खुद भी बोलते हैं कि सिर्फ ये गाने के लिए है, तो for those people who don't want the collection to increase, for it's just for when you're coming as it is coming to see those people, उसमें से आपने एक और अट्रैक्शन देख लिया, आपने मस्ती ले ली, आपने कि इनका ऑफ स्क्रीन रिलेशनशिप बहुत अच्छा है इसलिए ये आए हैं करने के लिए. फॉर दोज रीजंस आई वुड डेफिनेटली डू इट, नॉट फॉर कमर्शियल रीजंस के आई एम गेटिंग पेड सच एन अमाउंट और गेट कलेक्शंस के अंदर इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा पैसों का, कलेक्शंस के अंदर बॉक्स ऑफिस के अंदर थोड़ा सा एक पिक्चर बिक जाएगी. फॉर दोज रीजंस आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड एट ऑल.
Salman, everybody just talks about you, the whole star system and things like that. But I'd like to talk about your staff, people around you who have always been there for you, especially in Ek Tha Tiger. Some people you'd like to tell us who are part of your support system during the shoot, before, after.
देखो मेरी माँ, इसमें हंसने की क्या बात है?
We just thought it was sweet. I mean, it begins and ends with your mom.
And then dad too. That too. Also, फिर तो सबका आएगा जो हमारा कुक यहाँ से गया था, जिसने ऐसे कभी कभी सुशी खा के जब थक जाते थे तो घर का खाना मिल जाता था वहाँ पर. All that stuff. Then obviously my staff, I've spent a lot of time with my staff. I've spent more time in the last 22 years with my staff than I've spent with my family. सुबह से निकलता हूँ तो रात को पहुँचता हूँ. So there's 24 hours. So and my guys have been with me since मैंने प्यार किया. Most of them, unless they've died in between. My driver died, and then Lakshman Dada died, and then Emma Chacha. So the people who are missing from my life are the ones who thrown themselves out or basically who are no more in this world. So Raju's there with me since मैंने प्यार किया. Ashok, my driver, has been with us since before मैंने प्यार किया. Jafar, my guy who takes care of me, has been with me since when he was 4 and 5 years old. His father has been with us as the head chef. Then मोहन हमारे एक हैं जो क्या 10 साल पहले जाफ़र छुट्टी पे गए थे, तो वो आए थे 2 महीने के लिए. अब ना उन्होंने कभी जाने को कहा, ना हमने उनसे कभी जाने को कहा, तो वो रह गए. एक बचपन का दोस्त है नदीम जो मेरे साथ चलता है. फिर जगी हैं बॉक्सर जो कि जिन्होंने एक्टिंग में बहुत कोशिश की, कुछ हुआ नहीं, फिर वो बॉक्सर के ट्रेनर बन गए. अब वो हमारे साथ हैं, सिक्योरिटी हैंडल करते हैं. फिर एक शेरा है जो भीड़ भाड़ के अंदर वो आ जाता है. यही लोग हैं और क्या.
Salman, from मैंने प्यार किया to Ek Tha Tiger, what's the biggest change in Salman Khan?
I think one is age and the other one is weight. Apart from that, the man is the same.
I think you're still so trim. Other than that, in your persona.
I used to be 48, 50 kilos. Now I've just almost doubled my weight. I weigh about 85 now, which is kind of difficult to gain that much of weight and not in fat. It's difficult.
You know, your dad once said this to me, and he said everybody looks at Salman Khan and they just want his body. There's so much more to him, you know, to learn from him as a person, as a persona. So that's why I want to know, what's the biggest change as you as a person?
Your dad?
Your dad said that.
My dad said that. You're sure about that?
I swear.
Body? अच्छा वो भी ठीक ही है यार इसमें क्या कर रहा अभी है